Hey everyone, how's it going? This is an Amazon versus Etsy versus eBay video, and which one is the better option for you? Now, for Amazon, the pros and cons is that you can sell anything and everything on Amazon, right? And it's also one of the most popular things to be sold on Amazon. And it's you have international option there as well. Now, one of the cons is that there are high selling fees. If you're a seller, you have to pay Amazon high prices to store products in their warehouse, and that could be a downside. But another good side of Amazon is that it supports both B2B and B2C companies. So if you are a B2B or a B2C companies focusing on these things mostly, then Amazon is your way to go. Now, for Etsy, Etsy is almost more niche things, right? Like people want handmade things, or people want, let's say you're selling some customized Christmas t-shirts, things like that. So obviously, then Etsy is your way to go. But the thing about Etsy is that when I search for Christmas shirts, it's not just gonna show me your Christmas shirts. It's gonna show me every single person's Christmas shirts that have been listed. So you really need to find a way to, stand out. But if you can and you are selling those niche things, then Etsy is the way to go. Last but not least, we have eBay. And what do people do when they go for eBay? They're looking for, let's say, secondhand graphics card, right? CPU, GPU, anything like that. And they're looking for these sort of things. So eBay has a giant market, and you have full control over payment methods and all these things. Now, one of the cons is that these people, these sellers, there is a huge competition about it, right? And to be honest, competition is everywhere. But you also have to pay seller fees even if your items don't sell. So that might be a problem for some of the people. And I would say choose wisely for the type of thing that you're doing. Like if you're selling secondhand products mostly, then eBay. If you're selling niche things and you know you can stand out, then obviously you will need to choose either between Etsy or Amazon. But you also need to figure out if you want to pay that warehouse fee to Amazon. And if you're a big company, then obviously, no doubt about it, Amazon is the way to go. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.